In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of laptop shutdown automatically. Step 1. Turn off automatic restart. Right-click this PC. Click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Step 2. Update drivers. Click Device Manager. Update battery and display drivers. Step 3. Check power settings. Search Control Panel. Select Balance Mode. Three reasons why a laptop automatically shuts down: if the laptop is too hot, if the fan is clogged with dirt, if you are using too much heavy software. If the problem still continues, it might be a hardware issue like motherboard or RAM.